Hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll show you guys on how to install Kobold AI. So first, go to this website right here, how to install Kobold AI API, easy step-by-step guide. So once you're there, scroll down until you see this link right here. Right click and press open link in new tab. Once you're there, scroll down and click on this play button. Click on run anyway. Next, in Kobold AI, you can choose any model you want. I'll be using this one. You can also choose the version you want. I'll be using the official version, and you can also choose the provider. You can either choose local tunnel or Cloudflare. I'll be using Cloudflare. Once you're done, click on this play button again, and then Kobold AI will start downloading. Click on connect to Google Drive, sign in your account, click on allow, then wait for it to finish. Once it's done, scroll down until you'll see this link right here. Kobold AI has finished loading and is available at the following link. So all you have to do now is right click on the link, open link in new tab, and then that's it. So that is how you install Kobold AI. You can now start chatting with it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.